Well, I still ain't got my engine for Krusty yet. I'm reminded every time I walk out here and see it. He's just sitting there on jack stands. I really can't get much done until I get my engine. I really don't have nothing else to do here. But I did receive this in the mail. It's some parts that I ordered. And to give you a little hint, this here, these two pieces here, is for the shifter, the column shift. And it's not going back on the truck. That's because of this right here. I'm pretty excited about it. So let's go ahead and take it out here and check it out. Alright, I got a couple things in here. Got this and some more POR so I can get the rest of the frame painted. And this here is air oil separator. If I can get it out here, I'll show you. Looks like it got smudged up there. Oh well. But I got that because the PCV valve, or not valve, but the system they got on the LS pretty much sucks. It just sucks oil up in the intake and it fills it up and there's oil all in it. So hopefully this will help it out some. Alright, so that's that. I know what that is. Now the main thing is this. I'm sure these are old and played out just like the LS, but you know, it may be, but I've always wanted one before it was played out. I just never had the money to get it. And now that I got the money to get it, I bought it, whether it's played out or not. So let's go ahead and check this thing out. Alright, so I had a little bubble wrap in there. And there it is. This is the TCI Outlaw shifter. One of the reasons why I like this shifter is because it's got a changeable plate on here. I think they call them gates. But you can actually change this out for different transmissions. So I can go to 3-speed, 2-speed. This one here is a 4-speed. So if I ever change transmissions, I can change this plate and still use this shifter. Alright, I've been sitting here playing with this thing, and I just figured out that this thing got a 3-speed gate on it. And I'm pretty sure I ordered a 4-speed. Yeah, it says it right there. 4-speed forward. It's got a 3-speed gate. So I wonder, it might have another gate in it. Let me check real quick before I get too excited here. Yes, it's got another gate. Alright. There's the 4-speed gate. Awesome. So I got the 3-speed and the 4-speed. And all this stuff is the mounting hardware. And I guess that's maybe the backup switch, or I'm not sure. Probably. I don't know. I didn't read all the instructions yet. But yeah. The thing. Let me set y'all back over here. And this is the 3-speed gate, so all the way back could be 1st gear, 2nd gear, then you got to pull this. It's 3rd gear, and then that's neutral. And then it won't go no further until you push the release right here. That's reverse. Then that's park.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, call
Alright, there's the 4-speed gate. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And that can't go into neutral, so that's good. That should be neutral. You can't go into reverse till you hit this. Reverse. And park. Alright, there it is. The Outlaw shifter. Good thing I opened the rest of the package and found this 4-speed gate, because I would have felt like a real idiot if I contacted Summit and told them they sent me the wrong one when the gate was here the whole time. But yeah, we got the cover here, the hardware and the cables in there, so I believe that's everything. I do got to get a pedestal, or I'll probably end up making my own, because we're putting this in the C10, so I don't want to reach way down in the floorboard to shift it. So we're going to have to build something to raise it up in the air, but it won't be today. We got to wait until we get the engine back and get the engine back together, transmission back in the truck, and one day we'll get back to this, but it won't be today. But I guess that's it for this one. Till next time, see ya.